In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a selection in Google Sheets. If you've ever tried to print from a spreadsheet and ended up with way more than you needed, this walkthrough will help you print only the exact cells you want, cleanly and efficiently. First, open Google Sheets and load the spreadsheet you want to work with. Make sure you're on the correct tab at the bottom if your file has multiple sheets. Take a moment to scan your data so you know exactly which portion you want to print. This will make the next step easier and help you avoid wasting paper. Next, highlight the data you want to print. Click and drag to select your range. If your selection spans multiple areas, consider whether you can print them in one block. Google Sheets prints one continuous selection at a time. A helpful tip here is to include your header row in the selection so your printout is clear. You can hold Shift and click to extend a selection precisely, and you can also use Ctrl or Command with arrow keys to jump around quickly before selecting. Now go to the File menu at the top left of Google Sheets. This menu contains options for exporting and printing. Click it to open the drop-down. Choose Print from the menu. This opens the Print Preview screen. Because you highlighted cells first, Google Sheets should automatically set the print area to selected cells. Look at the preview on the right to confirm it shows only your chosen range. Before moving on, you can adjust helpful settings here. Switch between portrait and landscape for better fit, change paper size if needed, tweak margins, and use the scaling options like fit to width or fit to page so your selection doesn't spill across pages. You can also toggle grid lines and adjust headers and footers if you want a cleaner or more detailed printout. Make sure the preview looks exactly how you want your selection to appear on paper. When everything looks good, click Next. This takes you to your browser or system print dialog. Here you can choose your physical printer or select a destination like Save as PDF if you'd prefer a digital copy. Verify the page count, orientation, and any printer-specific settings such as color, duplex, or quality. Finally, click Print to complete the job. Your printer will output only the selected cells, neatly formatted according to your settings. That's it. Remember, if you wanted to print a different section later, just select the new range and repeat the same steps. Happy printing!